Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So I'm going to show you what I bought at JPO Nike this time. Yeah, here we go. Ta-da! It's upside down. Ta-da! So as usual, going to JPO, you have to go to Nike. And I bought two pairs of shoes this time. So let me just show you. This is women's Nike City Trainer 3, it's called. It was 179 ringgit each. So it looks like this. I really love this gold on the side. They're gold tick. And it looks like this from the front. And it's quite comfortable, I would say. There's a lot of air ventilation here. Comfort footbed on the inside. My cousin, my sister and I all bought the same type of shoe, but my cousin got the black one. My sister and I got this purplish pink one because it's just that comfortable. So it looks like this from the front. Under the sole is like this if you're looking for this kind of shoe. I thought it was pretty worth it. This one I got was also very similar. This is in a 10.5, 179 as well. And then here it's gonna look very similar because it is. Ta-da! It almost looks exactly the same, except the sole is different. The tick also is different. This tick is bigger, and this one is not the footbed one, but this one says it is the women's Nike Revolution 3. So this is what it looks like. I can just compare this with the other one and you kind of see it's very similar. This is Revolution here as well. So it looks like this. So they look very similar, except there are some differences. If you pay attention, then you can spot it lah. Otherwise, they look very similar. The colors is very similar. It's like purplish pink. Just attracted to these two. And the good thing about what happened was I have the Nike membership app and I just downloaded it just to try my luck, right? And I got 10% off everything. So it's like 139 minus of another 10%. And because it was Christmas season, get another Nike paper bag in here. And also Nike wrapping paper. This was their Christmas gift, they said. Yeah. And that's everything that I got from Nike this time. I hope you enjoy unboxing my Nike with me. And I hope to see you on my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and stay safe. Bye!